everyone, thank you for watching. I'm glad you're here watching this video. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're not, please subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to get all the notifications of when a new video comes out. We're going to show you how to make hand sanitizer as well. This is my son Mateo, he's in the video, and this is Sebastian, he's also in the video. So we're going to be a tag team. So
round one.
So keep watching because I'm hoping this could be helpful for you and your families. Okay. So here's a few products you can use that you buy in the store. Lysol wipes. I got this at Healthy Planet. It's a lemon liquid sanitizer. It's actually environmentally friendly. And this one here we got online on Amazon. They're hydrogen peroxide wipes, so you can use these to wipe down surfaces, doorknobs, and so forth. But today, we are going to make some hand sanitizer. So you need alcohol. So here's hand sanitizer that we bought in the store, but it's hard to find, so we came up with another option. So I went in, again, into Healthy Planet, and I bought this natural skin gel, Aloe Vera, and we have rubbing alcohol. You can get isopropyl or rubbing alcohol. And the reason you need the aloe vera is because the alcohol could be too harsh on your hands and your skin. So the aloe vera will help keep your hands soft. Now this option you should have available on hand if you're outdoors. Of course, the number one thing to do is to wash your hands, of course. But if you don't have any water, any soap on hand, you need to have gel on you. So if you're out in your car, just to keep the germs away. So for the alcohol, you need to have at least 70% to 100% alcohol because you don't want it to be a diluted alcohol because you want it to work. And so what we're going to do is here, we're going to mix it, and I'm going to tell you the ingredients. What we're going to do is mix up the alcohol with aloe vera. Well, before we do that, let me show you. I have these containers here.
For hand sanitizer.
So we're going to create enough that we can keep in the car. One in the car, one at the front door. For when we walk in the house, both entryways. And here's some containers that you can purchase at the dollar store.
Wait, so we can have one in the car, one in the other car,
yeah, and one at the front door.
And this
Correct.
one is when we go out.
Yeah, we can have it in my purse.
Yeah.
You can keep it in the purse.
Okay.
I forgot to mention also you need essential oil for the hand sanitizer. So per ingredients, you need 3/4 of a cup of alcohol. You need 1/4 of a cup of aloe vera and 10 drops of any essential oil. So I have lemon, citron, I have lavender, 2 types of lavender. You can get this in a supermarket or any health food store. I have a couple that I've had on hand from doTERRA, which is a great product. I'm not getting paid by anyone or promoting anything here, but they are a great product. So we're going to start mixing up. So we need 3/4 of a cup. Oh, before I move on, make sure all your surfaces are clean. You don't want to contaminate your mixture. And you want to clean your hands, clean your surfaces, make all your utensils, make sure they're clean. So I did that beforehand, and we washed our hands, especially after that pepper experiment, right? So here's the alcohol. I'm going to do some pouring of the alcohol. So we need 3/4 of a cup. It's best to have something with a pouring spout because then you can pour it into the containers.
Yeah, and it's easier.
Yeah, it'll make it much easier. So 3/4 of a cup is about right here of alcohol. So we need to put 3/4 of a cup of alcohol.
Wait, but how many? That stinks out.
It does stink, right? That's supposed to clean your hands. So we're gonna do that.
Don't use it.
Okay, I got another bowl. We got 3/4 of alcohol in here. I'm just gonna pour it in another container because this is also our measuring cup, and we need to measure out 1/4 cup of aloe vera. do 1/4 cup.
That sounds
So this was $30 in Healthy Planet. I know it might be a bit pricey, but it's all natural. You can buy some aloe vera online. I'll add a link below of where you can purchase aloe vera on Amazon. Also the rubbing alcohol and anything else that I have purchased from Amazon, which this I had either already on hand at home or I went to Healthy Planet to purchase. So we got 1/4 of a cup of aloe vera. So I'm going to put the rubbing alcohol back. There we go.
It stinks even more.
So we're going to mix it with the spoon. Sabby, you want to mix it? And we can put lavender or lemon. Which one do you prefer?
Lavender.
Do you want to smell the lemon? Smells good, doesn't it? Lemon is a good cleaning agent too. That's natural. Here's the lavender.
Nope.
You don't like lavender? It smells so yummy. No? Okay, we're going with lemon.
Yay.
So put 10 drops of lemon in the mixture. Yep. So that one comes out slowly, so you're going to have to wait and count 10 drops. After we get the 10 drops, we're going to mix it with the spoon, and then you got to whisk it. So you're going to whisk it until you get a consistency that you can whisk it.
Are you sure it's not closed still?
Bring all of it in. Is there any in there? No, there's nothing in there.
What?
So we're gonna have to go with the lavender.
Wait, that's not lavender.
They're both lavender.
That one's better.
Okay, I'm gonna pour this one in. 10 drops. Ooh, we went overboard. It's okay.
Take cover!
It'll smell nice and lavenderish.
It smells so bad.
Okay, mix it up.
Tornado.
And now I'm pour it in the containers. So I have this container right here. So we're going to use this one so you can see.
The stuff.
And we're going to pour it right in there.
No, we'll try it. He would try it out. Yep, that looks good. Try it out.
There we go. We have some hand sanitizer.
Try it
So
out.
we're going to label it, and we know this is hand sanitizer. You want to test it?
No. Yeah, you test it.
I already have some on my hands, see? Savvy? Rub it around. So when you use hand sanitizer, you want to make sure your hands are really wet, and you want to rub it in there, rub it all around. Make sure you get it inside your fingernails,
Yeah.
and wait for it to dry. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it with my kids here. They were very good helpers. And we hope you stay safe.
And let's pour the rest in.
Yep, we're going to put the rest in these bottles. And we're going to put it in our cars. We're going to label it.
Yeah.
What else did we forget to ask our viewers here that are so nice
To like-
watching? Like our video. And what else?
And subscribe.
Well, tell them, not me.
We already did that. We already told them that.
Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe and click the notification bell. We're gonna have some more videos, and you guys are gonna see what we're up to while we're in quarantine and trying to stay home and stay safe. And may everyone stay safe, be healthy, and be careful. Thank you for watching. I'm Maria from Milagro Interiors. Ciao for now. What's your name?
Mateo. Sebastian.
Ciao from all of us.
Bye.
Bye.
I need some help. Can I do the rest?
We don't need that in there.
Oh, we went overboard.
Just
Love it, just love it, just
rub it on
love
your
it.
hands. It's healthy.
Love it. Oh,
It
wait.
smells good with the lavender.
Yeah. Come on, it happened again. And it smells really good. Now we don't have to. Now we don't have to go to the bathroom or wash our hands.
What? Yes, you
Yes, we do.
do. You always need to wash your hands because washing your hands is better than the hand sanitizer.
Always. But you have to put soap on it first.
Of
You
course.
have to put soap on your hands. Do you want a sample? Try it at home. There's still more in
The
here.
hand gel drop.
There's still more in here. Slow. Hand gel drop. Try it. Hand gel drop.
We can make
Mommy, this is
Bath
lovely
bomb.
now.